Hello, everyone. This is Carol Brown here in Washington State. You might have known me before. I was here and I portrayed Harriet Tubman all over the state. I left town, but I'm back. And I'm bringing Harriet back with me. But now Harriet is teaching self love to girls. And I love for you to come out to the Renton Library this Sunday, June 30th at 2:30 to 4 p.m. to get a mini workshop of how Harriet Tubman, her love for herself, is the power behind her being able to do what she did. So I would love for you to come and join me. It's for girls and women, and if the guys want to come, they're very welcome. This will be a program where you get involved in the activity, the discussion, win some prizes, listen to some great music, and have a lot of fun. At the same time, learning more about self love. Join me Sunday, June 30th, 2:30 to 4 o'clock at the Renton Library, which is 100 Neal Avenue, South, Renton, Washington. See you on Sunday. Thank you. Bring your friends.